Hi, I'm Kristen. This is Windmills of My Hair, and today I'm reviewing this product from Nexus. It's a scalp oil that's supposed to help with dry scalp. I picked this up because Nexus has another product that I usually use. It's like a creamy one, and I want to try this one. So I bought it, and I took it out of the package, and already, and here it is, squirting it in. Oh, that feels really good. It's not dripping or running down or anything. I really like it. I'm really liking how even just through a little time passing, it's not dripping, it's drying itself in there. And for me, that's good because I don't want to be irritated. A lot of times oils really irritate my scalp, and I'm not getting that sensation. I'm just getting like a cool sensation, and I feel like this product's going to be pretty good. Whether or not it improves the strand, I'll have to follow up. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and we'll do some more product reviews. Windmills of My Hair. Thank you.